In the vast expanse of space, countless celestial objects hurtle through the cosmos. Some of these objects, like asteroids, pose a potential threat to Earth. One such asteroid, known as Apophis, has captured the attention of scientists and the public alike. Apophis is classified as a near-Earth object, meaning its orbit brings it close to our planet. Discovered in 2004, Apophis is scheduled to make an uncomfortably close approach to Earth in 2029. While initial calculations suggested a small chance of impact, further observations have ruled out that possibility. However, the 2029 encounter provides a unique opportunity to study this celestial visitor up close. Scientists are eager to learn more about Apophis's composition, structure, and potential threat to Earth in the future. This knowledge will be crucial in developing strategies to protect our planet from asteroid impacts. Asteroids are remnants from the early solar system, rocky fragments left over from the formation of planets. These celestial wanderers vary greatly in size, from small pebbles to massive objects hundreds of kilometers across. Most asteroids reside in the asteroid belt, a region between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. However, gravitational interactions with planets, particularly Jupiter, can nudge asteroids out of their stable orbits. These rogue asteroids can then pose a threat to Earth if their paths intersect with our planet's orbit. Scientists have identified thousands of near-Earth objects, and while most pose no immediate threat, a small percentage are classified as potentially hazardous objects due to their size and proximity to Earth. The impact of a large asteroid could have catastrophic consequences for life on Earth. The energy released by such an impact would be equivalent to thousands of nuclear weapons detonating simultaneously. Understanding the nature of asteroids and their potential threat to Earth is vital for developing effective planetary defense strategies. The threat of an asteroid impact may seem like the stuff of science fiction, but it is a real danger that scientists and engineers are actively working to address. Fortunately, there are several methods under consideration for deflecting an asteroid on a collision course with Earth. One promising approach is known as the kinetic impactor. This technique involves crashing a spacecraft into the asteroid at high speed. The impact would transfer momentum to the asteroid, slightly altering its trajectory. While the change in velocity might be small over time, even a slight nudge can be enough to steer the asteroid away from Earth. Another method under consideration is the gravity tractor. This technique involves using a spacecraft's gravitational pull to gently tug the asteroid off course. By positioning the spacecraft near the asteroid and maintaining a constant distance, the spacecraft's weak gravitational force would slowly alter the asteroid's trajectory over an extended period. Section 4. Ramses and Osiris-Apex, Sentinels in the Darkness. The upcoming close approach of Apophis in 2029 presents a unique opportunity for scientists to study this potentially hazardous object in detail. The European Space Agency, or ESA, and NASA are planning 2 missions to rendezvous with Apophis during its flyby Ramses and Osiris-Apex, respectively. The Ramses mission, named after the Egyptian god associated with the sun, aims to study how Apophis's orbit, rotation, and shape are affected by Earth's gravitational pull. The spacecraft will also investigate the asteroid's surface composition and search for any signs of outgassing or other activity. NASA's Osiris-Apex mission, a repurposed spacecraft initially designed to study the asteroid Bennu, will rendezvous with Apophis shortly after its closest approach to Earth. Osiris-Apex will analyze the asteroid's surface composition in more detail, looking for evidence of water ice or organic molecules. The spacecraft will also conduct experiments to understand Apophis's internal structure and how it responds to external forces. Section 5. A Legacy of Defense, from Ancient Myths to Modern Science. The upcoming missions to study Apophis represent a significant step forward in our understanding of asteroids and our ability to protect Earth from potential impacts. The knowledge gained from these missions will be crucial in developing effective planetary defense strategies and ensuring the long-term survival of our species. Interestingly, the study of asteroids and the threat they pose has deep roots in human history and mythology. The ancient Egyptians, for example, had a myth about the god Ra battling the serpent Apophis, who represented chaos and darkness. Ra's nightly journey across the sky was seen as a struggle against Apophis, with the fate of the world hanging in the balance. Just as the ancient Egyptians looked to the heavens with a mixture of awe and trepidation, so too do we today. However, Armed with the power of science and technology, we are no longer passive observers in the cosmic dance. We are taking an active role in understanding and mitigating the threats from space, ensuring a brighter future for ourselves and generations to come.